Section 12.2 is adding and subtracting polynomials. So, like terms, we've talked about that before, any terms that have the exact same variable portion. So I've listed, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms here, and we're looking for the terms that have the same variable portion. So x squared and y cubed, there is another one down here. They're in the opposite order, but they still have the same variable pieces. X to the fourth and y would pair with this one, and x squared does not have a like term to go with it. So when I'm looking for adding and subtracting, I need to look for terms that have the like variable portions, and those are the ones I can add and subtract. Notice that the coefficient doesn't make any difference, just the variables. So, vertical or horizontal alignment. So we're going to do this two different ways. The first is vertical. So I'm going to line these up and make sure that the like terms are on top of each other. So I'm going to put the minus 2x squared. There's no x term in this one, so I'm going to skip over that spot. And then I'm just going to add positive 8 plus x. 4 minus 2 is 2x squared. That's positive. And negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5x cubed. The other way is to do them just the way they are, lined up. Negative 8x cubed plus 4x squared plus x plus 1 added to 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 7. And if I do it this way, which is horizontal, this one being our vertical, I just look for my like terms and combine them as I go. X squared and x squared. There's only one x term, so I leave it, and then 1 plus 7 is 8. And I'll get the same answer. And I don't care which method you use, the vertical or the horizontal, as long as you keep track of your terms and your positives and negatives. So here's another one. I want you to try this on your own and then come back to the video. All right, we have one term with x to the fourth, and I'm going to use the horizontal method here. Then I have two terms that are x cubes. 6 plus an understood 1 is 7. I've got two terms that have x squareds in them. Negative 5 plus negative 3 is negative 8. An x and a 2x, that's 3x. And negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. If you did the vertical method, 2x to the fourth, 6x cubed, minus 5x squared plus x minus 7. And I'm being careful to line up with the right powers lined up underneath each other. Then working down 2x to the fourth, 6 plus 1 is 7, negative 8 plus 3, whoops, that's a negative 7, so minus 6 at the end. Again, same answer. It doesn't matter which method you use. Pick one that's most comfortable for you and work with it. Okay, for subtraction. Anytime we subtract, we're going to change the middle sign to addition and then change all of the signs in the second polynomial. This is what you guys call keep, flip, change. So we keep the first one, we flip the subtraction to addition, and we change the signs. So 6x squared plus 4x minus 7 plus negative 2x squared plus x minus 8. And then again, combining our like terms, 6 minus 2 is 4x squared, plus 4x plus 1x is plus 5x, and negative 7 plus a negative 8 is negative 15. Try one more of these. So again, on your own, pause the video. Be sure to change your subtraction to addition, and then do your problem. Okay, 14x squared minus 12x. I'm going to change this to addition and make my second polynomial negative 9x squared plus 5x minus 1. I'm going to use the vertical this time. 14x squared minus 12x. Subtract 9x squared, add 5x, and subtract 1. It's an understood 0 here, so 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. And 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay, so that's it. We'll do a couple of these together in class, and that's all for the video.